UFI Security. Shop now.
Setting up Arlo wire-free is fast and easy. However, if you do run into issues during the installation with motion detection or the alerts, there are some common troubleshooting tips you'll want to know. In this video, we'll review several of them. Arlo cameras have a 110-degree viewing angle. Proper positioning will ensure that you get the most out of your Arlo system. Position the camera so the space that you want to monitor is within the camera's field of view. Be sure to mount the camera at least 7 feet from the floor, aimed slightly down, and positioned for side-to-side movement across its field of view. If your camera is not detecting motion, or if it's detecting motion you don't want it to, the motion sensitivity may need to be adjusted. Use the motion detection test to find the optimal motion setting for each camera. To open the motion detection test, go to Settings, My Devices, select your camera, then click on Motion Detection Test. Start at a low setting and walk in front of the camera. Keep moving and increasing the motion detection setting until the camera's front LED indicator light starts blinking. This means the camera has detected your motion and can be set at this level. Remember, the motion detection test is simply an assessment. To change your camera's level of sensitivity, click on the Mode tab and select your base station. Then, click the pencil icon next to the mode. Tap the pencil icon to edit when motion is detected and drag the bar to adjust the motion sensitivity. In some cases, your camera may be detecting motion, but you're not receiving the alerts. In this case, either your email address is not confirmed or the alert setting is accidentally disabled in the rule. First, check this by navigating to Settings, then Profile. If you've not confirmed your email address for motion alerts, you'll see a message indicating this. Click on the Confirm link to receive a confirmation email. Open your email and complete the verification process for the email notifications to begin. If this doesn't solve the problem, check the rule settings by going to Mode, selecting a camera and tapping the pencil icon under Email Alerts. You can also add additional email addresses for receiving alerts by selecting Edit. For more troubleshooting tips, head to support.arlo.com.
Did you know that ADT and Samsung SmartThings have created an easy way to help make your home secure and smart? Your home security system needs a brain, so get started with an ADT Security Hub. It features a 7-inch touchscreen control panel, a built-in siren, battery and cellular data backup, and dual encryption wireless technology. Next, add ADT detectors and alarms to help protect your home from intrusion, fire, floods, and more. Choose from a range of wireless devices which can be installed in minutes. Then, help protect your home and family 24/7 with optional ADT professional monitoring services. Choose from a range of intrusion detection and life safety services with low month-to-month rates and no long-term contracts. Finally, turn your home into a smart home with your ADT Security Hub. Choose from a wide range of Works with SmartThings devices, including lights, cameras, doorbells, door locks, thermostats, sensors, and more. ADT and Samsung SmartThings, the easy way to help make your home secure and smart.
Welcome to Ring Alarm. We're glad you're one of our neighbors. Ring Alarm puts a ring of security in and around your home using different types of security devices. The base station provides security for your entire home. The contact sensor monitors a door or window in your home. The motion detector watches a room inside your house for motion. The keypad is the physical control panel for Ring Alarm. The range extender expands your network so a distant device can talk to the base station. Together, all these devices make up Ring Alarm. Your Ring Alarm system monitors sensors to put a ring of security in and around your home. Ring Alarm includes 3 security modes to fit your needs. Away monitors all the sensors in and around your home, giving you the most security when you're not there. Home monitors sensors around your home, but ignores the ones inside, giving you freedom to move around your home. Disarmed doesn't monitor any sensors, allowing you to go in and out easily. These 3 modes allow you to keep your home security in sync with you. You can
Welcome to SimpliSafe.
SimpliSafe is a pioneer in wireless home security. It's engineered to deliver robust, whole home protection, and yet it's surprisingly simple to install and use. More than 1 million homes and over 100,000 businesses are protected by SimpliSafe. Our award-winning systems are made up of an arsenal of sensors, sirens, smart locks, and cameras that blend seamlessly into any style and size home and help protect every inch of it. And it's all backed by professional monitoring, a team of individuals who are trained to keep you and your family safe by ensuring emergency responders get to your home quickly when you need them most. At SimpliSafe, our goal is simple: to make sure you always feel safe by keeping you safe.
SimpliSafe on